Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while, but I'm back today with another DIY video. Today I'm going to share with you how we have recently panelled our master bedroom in collaboration with a company called Roomix. So before we start the project, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a background on Roomix as a company. So if you go onto roomixdiy.com, you can look at the various different styles of panelling that they do. You choose your project, you design your custom kit, so the measurements that you'd like, the thickness of the panels, everything. And then the MDF is pre-cut and it comes with everything that you can see on the screen now, including a bar of chocolate for a little pick-me-up if you need that. And it is delivered straight to your door. So it's an amazing company. So if you are thinking of doing some panelling, I definitely recommend them. Okay, so getting straight into it, we opted for the shaker wall panel kit, and these are the panel dimensions we went for, just in case you were wondering. But as I said earlier, you can custom design your kit, so you can choose the length, the width, and also the depth of your own panels. So before you do anything, it's really important that you measure your wall and decide how many panels you want running across it. As you can see, we have one directly in the centre of our bed. That's because I have this thing about symmetry, so I wanted it to look nice and neat. I then decided that 3 panels from the centre of the bed to the wall would look really nice, so we measured this out and it was 61 centimetres between each panel. So we then did the same on the left-hand side. Once you've decided on the measurements, then you're all set to go. So what we did first was we put some panels horizontally across the base of the wall. We did this by applying some no more nails to the back and then holding it onto the wall until it felt secure. Luckily our walls were level, but if yours aren't and you can see a little bit of gaping, I definitely suggest using the nails that you get in the pack just to make sure that they are fully secure. As you can see, once we'd finished securing all of the horizontal panels across the base of the wall, we then started on the vertical panels. Always make sure that you check that each of your vertical panels are level, because otherwise when you come to put your panels horizontally across the top, they're not going to sit properly and there's going to be lots of gaps and lots of filling to do. Once that first panel was secure, we then measured 61 centimetres to figure out where the next panel was going to be. We actually then drew lines either side of each panel just so that we could use it as a guide for when we actually secured the panels. But this isn't necessary, you don't have to do this, but we just found that actually it was a lot easier to kind of see where our next panels needed to be. We did have to make a few little cuts to go around plug sockets and things, but this is easy enough, and as I said earlier, everything comes in the pack that you need to do this. Once all of your vertical panels are secure and level, you're then going to start putting the horizontal panels across the top. Again, check that they're level as well. And then finally, we put some dado rail across the top just to give it more of a traditional look. Now your panelling is up, it's time to tidy it up a bit. So the first step is wood filler. You just apply this with your fingers to any of the joins. Once that's dry, sand it down, wipe off any dust, and then check that it's smooth. Following this, you're then going to caulk all around the edges just to give it that seamless look. Once that's dry, all you have to do then is prime the panels and then finally paint them in the colour of your choice. And there you have it, that is it. So this is how we panelled our bedroom wall. So if you have enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please remember to like the video, and also if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future videos.